Firstly, before you say anything, the camera quality is shit because I'm recording on my PC, my laptop, because I want to. And this, I recently learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube again, so I'm going to be solving both of these on camera quickly, because as some of you may know, I used to solve Rubik's Cubes all the time. I enjoyed that quite a lot. I've stopped for ages and I'm a bit shit now, but some of you may not have known that about me. Like Mouse, I don't think I ever told him, so I'm gonna do that on camera just to try to show it off a little bit. And because I never uploaded any Rubik's Cube content to my channel before, I don't think, which is a bit sad. I think I should have. So I just sort of want to get it on there because it's a pretty cool skill. So let me just grab all these up. I used to be really good at the 2x2. That was my main sort of jig. I liked that a lot. I'm a bit shit now. Like, I used to know all the layer 2 algorithms and stuff. I've forgotten all those. I used to get it down to, like, I think I was consistently solving the 2x2 in under 10 seconds. Definitely can't do that anymore. But it's still, you know, I can solve both of them. Fairly impressive. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just have a quick look. And okay. Oh shit. That could have been really quick if I wasn't, if I didn't mess it up. Like, really fucking quick, but oh well. What am I doing? There we go. So this isn't really about speed because I'm not fast anymore. Like I said, it's more just showing off that I can do it. But the time is there just because I don't know. Fuck it. It's fun. There we go. Very nice. I got quite, yeah, that was quite fast actually. It was faster than I thought it'd be. I'm considering one day relearning all of the 2x2 stuff, but most likely won't. It'll take it'll take so much time, and I just can't really be asked. I highly doubt I'm gonna upload any more Rubik's Cube stuff ever, but I just wanted to get that out there. I'm quite happy with that. I'm not sure if the camera's flipped or what's going on, or if you can even read it because of the glare. But 2 minutes, 9 seconds, 2 minutes 9.9 seconds, which I'm quite happy about. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I really want to upload more, but I've just got no fucking ideas. So yeah.